trying to make some what to do. Alright. Trying to make some point that I need to see go through to direct, something to lift it differently, and I need to see some things like that changing. I need to see some things like that directing, you know. I want to, and I need to see some change in our own ways of thinking, and I need to see that. You know? Yes, I need to see that. Sorry about that. No, sometimes catch you, that's I've got you back. Simple. So what I have here right now is a bush situation. Yeah, I can't go down now. As you can see, Gain them now. Can't go. I know a poor life here, roughly struggle real, man. Real. But what I'm seeing right now is that we can come out of this. Doesn't matter what. We can make some effort to come out of our own wrong ways. We can see some ways to come out. Alright now. What I want you to do right now is that subscribe, like it. Yeah. So let us talk a story. Yeah. Yo, that is. Agua. Yes. Yo, that is agua. Mushima, shima. Yo, dog, where is it? Yo, shima. Yo, man, I understand already. I chat. Mushima, shima. Yo, man, I ask that, man. You don't me ask me that correct, man. Mushima, shima. That is not hear me, no, man. You not hear me. I hurt me ask for why you. Mushima. Yo, that is hurt me. Mushima, yo, I hurt. Mushima, yo. I hurt, man. Mushima, yo, check this one, cut out. I link to my dog, a couple roads, I don't say that, because I need to link up to my party, man. They know what I want. Yo, John Mago, dog, my there, Sorry, Johnny, because I just a link road in a Johnny, and I say, nothing not going on. I there see we are building a dog, because right now, I don't know what I want. I don't know how the road stay, but I there see where that is, man. I there look out, and I snark a come need another dog, so I go on for you. Yeah, same thing I talk about work, so make me go up son and me ask the China boy if you look correct, man, and hear the man, but pim and all them language, man, I tell them to go first. Which China that? The one down at the big place on some, say boil them up, you boil them up then, man. I really boil them up, that's starts it. Say this him then, so the man who own the whole around, so. The land where they pan dog, I'm on the whole around, so dog. Yeah. So I'm on that. Come man, come take control of Jamaica, dog, and come own the piece of land, me, yes. You don't pay no feet in dog, this. So what me I gonna do? Just me, dog, I don't know. Don't know what you gonna do, dog, this, I don't know. I don't know what you gonna do. All me know, you gonna just plan to run, go somewhere. So that this, on a real level, my youth. What I going with the little thing, me ask about the cat here runs up. Yeah, dog, this, you still not hear what me I say. You see the girl left your dog? John no star dog. I'm tell her say I nah leave and she leave me. What she leave me for? But this, know the thing I tell the people, man. You sure what I'm telling? One piece of ice carton and all this. Look how far me I run from. Can't believe she left me for your pa. Yo, can't believe it. My target you, man. Tell the people, man. Look how far me I ride from. Can't believe she let me feel about your dead youth. You don't know the things, man. I don't know. Yo. Can't believe so she left me for your party youth. But real thing. When I get right out all I see, man. Yeah, we understand, so I say yes. So, cool now. Yeah, I'm going to link Squeaky up, sir. Squeaky. Yes, Squeaky migrated, man. What do you mean by migrated? Oh, remember them thing me fly out, man. Oh. Alright then. Alright, but they can link quick low voice. I'm always do them. Yeah. There all I'm at see me. Cool now. Alright, I link it. Alright, the thing. Cool. Yo, low voice. Yeah, them some for link for the thing there. The money and the thing for bed for buy some local garments, you know.
Yeah, what me understand me I say, and the point is that I can't help you right now because my bank could low right now and the money low we are coming right now and that's why I'm coming over first because the money way low.
Yeah, me understand that, but the point me I say right now, me just like a thing and I can get to help with my family and thing.
That is, we help you in the past and we help you in the future. But the point is that I can't help you right now because I don't have any funds. I'm broke right now, dog. You understand that, man?
Yeah, me understand, me understand. Please, me do understand. Me nah bad here.
But the point is that me need a follow that girl, you know. I'm gonna look at that is. She's 22, me need a follow her, dog. You're a big dirty head, man. Lower. You say something cool, man. Just lower, man. You understand?
Yes, Jim. Anything else I go?
Me mean, you know, that is. You keep her troubling her.
Remember, you know, she make her own decision. She's a big girl now.
Me know, but sometimes they don't make it at the right choice. But take care of her, see her way. But don't mind yourself with her.
Alright, cool. Me I go down, sir.
Before you go down, so, say 5 bills. Take it and deal with some things.
5 bills. 5 bills. Yo, thanks, yeah. They are better than nothing. Simple. Cool. Hit the road. Yeah. Yeah, me I could do now. Me I could do. Me I could do. Yeah, me I could do. Oh, no, there, see, man. I go. Yeah, man. I'm there, I'm there. Yeah, so, I'm still there. No. I mean, but we're still there. Yo, the pot, those kicker, still there. I mean, but we're still there. Yeah, what I mean by we're still there. You, matter of fact, you. We are there. Still there, me I look on the pot. Okay. You were there?
Always there.
Yeah, always there. Can you leave you? Yeah. Alright. Yo, you know, wow.
Man, just give us some of the food, nigga.
What? What is it?
Yo, just give us some of the food, nigga.
Okay. Let me talk to you. You rapper boy. Now pass it.
So you understand what go on. So, man, no problem.
So rapper boy, what's been taking place?
Man, all these niggas want to stop me, nigga. But I make my thing clear. I make all these things clear. I do what I have to do. I say what I have to say, and I work with these niggas.
Okay, nigga. So get the raw from out of me head then, cause no food can share for you, you know. Cause we are the nigga them. You see, we are the nigga them. And we are this here. We are the nigga them. You see? The whole of we are the nigga them. And we are this here. Get out. Get the dirty tutunus. You look tununus here. Yeah. Not even want to tell you what you look like, you know. You not even want to tell you what you look like, my look on your mind, me all sick, my matter of fact, me all wipe course with my just sick people out. Yeah. Cut, man. Cut. My not even sure. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you subscribe, like it, and share it to others. That was just a appreciation of changing the voices, and so if you do like, please subscribe, like it, talk, and if you want more of those one. Okay, then thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoy it. Peace, continue. This will be named King Baby, because changing of appearance of voice. That's joking. You will see the topic when it come up. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoy the rest of the night, day, morning, evening, new night. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm saying to you guys, that don't let these haters stop you from winning. The winning of soul for Christ, because Christ is a real redeemer in the life that we live. You understand me? So what I'm saying to you right now is that we need Jesus, and Jesus is the key and the life. So you understand that we are the children of Christ, God Almighty. So thank you for listening. Subscribe, like it. Many And you understand? Do you understand me? You understand those times that we understand that we are friends. So subscribe to my page, lead description down below. But you can understand the point is, like it, believe it, you can live to believe your choices, that you can make something in life. Yeah, cool. Peace out. Tune in. I like what I've heard. I've heard the word and I've liked it. Peace. You can be free by listening to yourself. Listen to your brothers and sister. You can understand why it's been the problem for so long. Yo, dad, let's come out from the station. Lad. Come, cut. And move from us. I can talk with a bubbling system. Yo. Move. Yo, yeah, man, say, yo, people. Yo, when you stop a while, when you stop fool up your country, when you start, yo, yeah. But what I'm saying, man, is that we can live right. We can live the country, understand that we all persons. We all, this is small voice. And I'm saying that we can make the world a better place, you know what I mean? Better place. You're here, I'm here.